Hello and welcome to another video. This mini-series will look at expanding brackets. So this is what you might come across. Let me give you an example. Let's say we have 4a and then we look at the bracket here, 7 plus 3b. So what you would need to do here is we need to identify what some of these terms are. So if you see this term here, 4a, that is the multiplier. The multiplier, and then obviously you've got the bracket here. So what you would do, you would take this multiplier and you would multiply it by each term in the bracket. So we have this term here 7, and then we have this term here 3b. So let's see what that looks like. It would be 4a multiplied by 7 plus 4a multiplied by 3b. And then quite simply, you've got your 4a multiplied by 7 is equal to 28a. And then we plus the 4a multiplied by the 3b is equal to 12ab. So there is your answer. Nice and simple. Just take that multiplier and multiply by each term in the bracket. Let's give it another example then. We've got 7x squared, and then let's look at this bracket, 2x minus 3x. So remember, we take this multiplier and multiply it by the first term, so we're going to have 7x squared multiplied by 2x, and then we will have 7x squared multiplied by the minus 3x. Now I've just put this minus 3x in a bracket here just so we don't get any of the signs confused. You don't really want the signs to be next to each other. Okay, so let's look at this then. So let's look at the coefficient first. The 7 multiplied by the 2 is 14, and the x squared multiplied by the x is x to the power 3, x cubed. There will be a video coming up in this series just explaining how we got to that x cubed, but for the time being, that's all we need to know. And what else have we got here? We've got the 7x squared multiplied by the minus 3x squared. So do the coefficients first. So it's minus 21, and then we have the x cubed again. So this brings us out to 14x cubed minus 21x cubed, and then that is equal to minus 7x cubed. Okay, so quite simply then, anything outside the bracket, for example this multiplier here, multiply that by each term inside the bracket separately, and then in this case down here we were able to simplify it a bit because we had the same terms. Okay, any questions, please do leave a comment. Please also like and subscribe the video, and look out for the next one in the series coming in the next few days. Thank you very much.